Alright guys, I've got something cool for you. Check this out. And this is some hook protectors, and you can see the trailer hook, which is the standard protection here. I've got the cover, and I've got these nice motorcycling covers, so let's try them on. This is quite exciting. Alright, from Moto. Alright, here's the classic one, and here's the adventure type helmet. Let me just show it to you guys. Oh, nice. It's a beautiful red helmet like this, or a classic full face helmet. All right, I'm not sure which one you guys prefer. I think I'm gonna try both on. All right. So let's try the first one on. Nice. Oh, this is cool. Excellent, guys. So that's how it looks now. A small little helmet on this Fiat 500X. Or let's try the adventure type helmet, which is this one, which is excellent too. Nice. Oh, I just love it, guys. This is a very cool gadget. All right.